यू आर गोइंग टू राइट प्रीलिम्स और अब बारी है परफॉर्म करने की। अगर साल भर पढ़ाई की है तो डरना क्यों, और एग्जाम में फियरलेस परफॉर्मेंस दैट इज द की टू सक्सेस। सो गिव योर बेस्ट शॉट एंड ट्राई टू बी एक्यूरेट, कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चंस विद इन द टाइम अलॉटेड। एंड हाँ, ध्यान रखिए 80 से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने की कोशिश करिए इन जनरल स्टडीज़, and in CSET not less than 50 questions you should attempt.
Hello, this is Professor Kapuria wishing you on my behalf as well as on behalf of Next IES all the best for your prelims exam on 25th. All of you know this is a very tricky test with objective type questions. So my advice to you always has been, don't be in a hurry to look at the questions. Please thoroughly see the questions before you put your answer. Again, wishing you the best of luck. All right?
I have just one message for you. Remain calm, happy and hydrated. Very important in this heat. Try attempting 80 to 85 questions. Even if you get 25 incorrect, you are getting more than 95 marks. You will definitely qualify. All the best. May God bless you. Do your best and don't get nervous. It will all be fine.
Dear future civil servants, I have to say again 5 points for you before you are going to face examination on 25th. First, the best inspiration is Operation Sindoor for you. This is the way strategy work. So draw your strategies. Point 1, point 2, stay cool and calm, because you need to have cool mind, composed mind before examination. So reduce your study hours in order to be cool and calm before the examination. Point 3, make sure that you would be attempting in one go, or you would be attempting in 2 rounds. That first you know the questions, only those attempt, thereafter you should attempt those questions which you are going to guess. So your roadmap should be very clear. Point 4, make sure that you are going to strike in this examination in which you have to use ball pen. Even constitution could be amended, but your answer could not be amended. So don't, be sure, strike with confidence. And point 5, the day of examination, move early in order to report the examination center well in advance, so that you should not have any sort of last hour rush. All of us, we are with you. We are Next IES team led by our amazing leader.
कम से कम आप खुद ही ना फैसला करिए कि आपका एग्जाम हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा, नहीं एग्जाम हॉल में आप एकदम मन से पढ़ाई कीजिए, रिवाइज कीजिए और एग्जाम देने के बाद ही आप इसको सोचिए।
Dear students, on the behalf of Next IES, our all blessings for you for this crucial exam. I hope you will do the best of your capacity, whatever hard work you have done here. My one suggestion is there: be cool, be focused and be yourself. Neither be too emotional nor be too casual in your approach. Take the middle path, and I am sure that you will come out with flying flowers.
Hello students, you have done the hard part, you have prepared humongous syllabus, you have practiced enough questions. Now you have necessary knowledge and the skill. It's time to deliver in the examination. Take one question at a time, be confident, stay focused, stay calm. I wish you all the very best for this examination. You always remember, you don't control your success and failure. What you control is your hard work. So I would say, give your very best.
Elimination is the key to success.
Now for last few days which are left, try to consolidate what you have studied so far. Please don't touch any new source. And one more important thing is try to simulate what you have studied so far and keep yourself hydrated. And on the day of exam, do not forget to keep on regularly hydrating yourself, especially in the second paper when the CSET will be there. So once again, wish you all the best, and I'm sure you people will do remarkably well and then proceed to the next phase of the examination.
So after a lot of speculation due to the crisis between India and Pakistan, finally the countdown for prelims has begun. And a lot of students I know they are quite nervous right now, they are feeling a lot of tension. So my message for you is, please remain calm, be confident, and and enjoy this process.
Hello students, in exam hall, try to attempt the paper in 3 rounds. Round number 1, where you feel very confident and easy and attempt them. Second round, where you have 50%, 60% confidence. And remember here, never do blind guesses. Always trust yourself, and whenever you feel uncomfortable, don't waste your time, move to the next question. And be cool and calm, composed, and always remember, definitely you are going to get a success.
The day is here. There are the few suggestions from my side. The first thing, do not change your answer in the exam hall. And the second thing is that try to start from your strong subject. And you have done everything till now. एग्ज़ाम के एक दिन पहले ट्राई करिए कि आप सो जाएं टाइम पर अगर फिर भी बाई चांस ऐसा होता है कि नींद नहीं भी आती है, देन डू नॉट टेक द टेंशन ऑफ दैट नेक्स्ट डे. इट्स क्वाइट नॉर्मल. नींद नहीं आना भी क्या है, तो मैं तो हमेशा ही कहता हूँ कि नींद आए तो अच्छा और नींद ना आए तो भी अच्छा. बस वहाँ जाके आंसर चेंज मत करिएगा. डू नॉट ट्राई टू स्टार्ट विद योर स्ट्रॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट.
Hello friends, prelims is around the corner. You must be busy in your preparation. My advice to you all for upcoming prelims examination is avoid last minute cramming. It will make you nervous and it will reduce your performance in examination. Try to stay calm, trust yourself and focus on your strong areas.
CSET में किसी सवाल के साथ जूझना नहीं. एग्जाम हॉल में ये बिल्कुल नहीं देखना है कि बाकी लोग क्या करते हैं. आपको एकदम शांत रहना. बी कूल, काम एंड कंपोज्ड.
Hello everyone, all the students who are appearing for the 2025 UPSC prelims exam, I wish you all the best. I hope that all of you are able to remain calm, you are able to hold your composure. Make sure you are not panicking in the last moment. Read the questions carefully, trust your instincts and hope for the best in the exam.
Be calm, stay focused, trust yourself.
Hello everyone, जो भी प्रीलिम्स दे रहा है उसको मेरी तरफ से बेस्ट ऑफ लक, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. आप प्रीलिम्स देने जा रहे हो, ये यूपीएससी का पहला स्टेज है और इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है आपका कॉन्फिडेंस. जो भी आपने अभी तक पढ़ाई करी है उसके ऊपर बिलीव करो और कभी भी क्वेश्चन मारते टाइम अपने दिमाग में एम्बिग्विटी मत लाओ. जो आपकी पहली गट फीलिंग है वो ज़रूर मार के आओ क्वेश्चंस को और बिल्कुल पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट से रहो. और गर्मी का टाइम है तो अपने साथ पानी और छाता और ये सब जो है वो लेके जाओ और बहुत ही काम माइंड से, पीसफुल माइंड से अपना एग्जाम दो.
Dear candidates, you have prepared everything, you have given your best. Just remember that this is exam which is tough for everyone. This is the exam which will be easy for everyone. So do not be underconfident. Trust yourself. Trust your preparation, read the questions very carefully, attempt with the best of your capabilities and ensure that you are carrying enough water, you are well hydrated and you keep all your documents handy a day before the examination. If the location is new for you, just go and have a visit to your center and give your best and come with the flying colors.
Hello everyone. So we have reached to the stage जहाँ पे हमने पिछले 1 साल 1.5 साल तैयारी की है पूरी मेहनत और अब एग्जाम का दिन आ चुका है. So I just wanted to share only few points before the exam. Rest all you have all done your best and I'm sure you are all going to pass with flying marks. So the one thing that I would like to share is do not change your strategy. जो अभी तक जैसे प्रिपरेशन की है, जैसे मॉक में परफॉर्म किया है वैसे ही ट्राई करना. Right? So do not think about anything extra right now. The second thing is that do not stress yourself during the exam. Even if the exam is tough, it is tough for all. If the exam is easy, it is easy for all. So do not get overexcited, do not get overstressed, just do your best, right? And this best will be able to make you clear the exam. And the last thing is it's very hot and humid right now, so just keep hydrated, keep drinking water, keep yourself hydrated, right? Drink lots and lots of water and just focus on the 2 hours and in between the gap do not talk with anyone about the exam and just focus on your next exam, and after the exam then we can see what we have done and what we have not done and hopefully everything will be good.
My dear students, as prelims is approaching, I can understand you are having a lot of stress, tension and butterfly in your stomach. So this is a time for relieving yourself from your any kind of stress and rejuvenate yourself from any kind of, basically you can say, tiredness and fatigue, and prepare yourself for the 25th of May, the D-Day of the examination. So we at NextIS and all the faculties from behalf of every person here are wishing you all the very best for your examination. Just believe in yourself, you have studied well, and this is a time for execution.
Dear UPSC gladiators, it's time to sharpen your minds and steady your hearts. It's time for the annual ritual where OMR sheets are going to decide your destiny. Remember, pick wisely, skip smartly, and don't fall in love with the question. May your luck be as good as possible and your logic be legendary. You are equipped to go on out with the paper. So be confident.
My dear students, all the very best for prelims. Keep yourself calm and composed and smile करते हुए बड़े positive frame of mind से attempt करना. Whether the paper is easy or difficult, it would be for everyone. Okay, so don't get overexcited, neither in GS nor in CSAT. ना फिर अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट होना. ओके, तो अपना वेदर का भी ध्यान रखते हुए कीप प्रिकॉशंस, टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ, एंड पेपर 1 एंड पेपर 2 दोनों पे give equal focus.
Try to understand the requirement of the question, then read the statements, try to eliminate them and figure out the correct answer.
Prelims primarily tests your confidence, your ability to make decisions with confidence. So stay confident, have faith in yourself, and you will get through.
Dear student, your prelims exam has arrived. You have trained really well for this day. Now is the time to test your preparation and your skill set. So stay focused, calm and confident. On the exam day, just focus on giving your best. Don't worry about being perfect or knowing everything, because no one does. What matters is how well you handle your thoughts under pressure. So go ahead with courage and conviction. Victory will be yours.
My best wishes to all of you.
Bye-bye, all the best.
All of us have best and the best wishes for you. Thank you.
All the best.
All the best. All the very best.
All the best. Good luck.
All the best. Thank you so much.
All the very best and take care.
Wish you all the best for your exam.
All the best to all of you.
All the best.
All the very best.
Best of luck.
Best of luck.
All the best again.
All the very best.
I wish you all the very best.
All the very best to all of you, and hope to meet you all for the mains preparation. Thank you.
Wish you all the luck, and may God be with you in your examination.
And all the best from me as well as team NextIS.
All the very best. Keep rocking, keep smiling. Chak de.
All the very best.
Best of luck.
At the end, I will say, stay cool, calm, and be focused, and give your best effort. Wish you all the best, and best of luck from NextIS.